Hello guys, we are back again with another knowledgeable video which will be very helpful for you. In this video you will be able to understand that what type of trading is preferred for beginners who just started in the market, which strategy is best for a beginner. So let's start the video guys. Swing trading is most suitable for beginners due to its low speed. In fact, the chance of success is also the highest here, but the risk must still be taken seriously. All through they are particularly well suited to trading for beginners. Few newcomers opt for swing trading strategies. Basically, trading is of two kinds in my view. One is intraday and other one is swing trading. First, intraday or day trading. You can buy a stock in the morning or any preferred time, as you can sell it as soon as you make some profit, which can be loss also if your trade goes wrong on same day. This is biggest advantage of it. Second, swing trading. You buy a stock today and you sell it maybe after a week or months whenever your target price is achieved. In my opinion, a beginner should always start with swing trading with predefined risk. One should not start directly with intraday trading. The reason behind is that it gives reward so faster that a person loses his patience to earn money. It's a psychological part which is 100% true and happens to most of retail investors. And because of that, if in intraday trading you just made a loss, then you will immediately start over trading to cover your losses, and definitely you are gonna lose more and more because we want our money back in same speed as we lost it in market, and this makes intraday trading a kind of gambling. So first one should start with swing trading, and then if he or she fits good in it, then they should take part in intraday trading with their proper risk management and research technical analysis. We hope that you have understood well that which trading is suitable for you as a beginner. Now let's talk that what type of trading is preferred for beginners who just started in the market. For beginners, it's recommended to start with first, position trading, holding positions for a longer period, week, months, to ride out market influences. Second, swing trading, holding positions for a shorter period, days, weeks, to capture price movements. Third, day trading with caution, buying and selling with a single trading day, closing positions before market close. These styles are preferred because they involve less complexity, require less time commitment, expose you to less risk, allow you to earn and adapt gradually. It's essential to start with a solid understanding of trading basics, develop a trading plan, set clear goals and risk management strategies, practice with a demo account or a small live account, continuously earn and improve. Remember, trading involves risks and losses are possible. Begin with a caution approach, and as you gain experience and confidence, you can explore more advanced trading strategies. At the end, if you liked our video, share with your friends. This video will be very helpful for you, and subscribe our channel for stay tuned with us. Thank you.